Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Lwigs straight hair right here. The hair is actually in 20 inches and it's silky straight from the box. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It's a 360 less frontal wig and it has a center part straight from the box as well. As you can tell, the hair also have an elastic strap at the back as well, so you can use that to secure the hair in case you don't want to use glue or gel. The most amazing thing about this hair that I really want to put out there is the fact that the quality of the hair is really amazing. The hairline is absolutely amazing, guys. It has been pre-plucked to perfection, guys. The lace of the hair also is something that I think is a selling point for this hair. So those are the 3 most important things that I noticed about this hair. So I decided to pack the hair, using the center part that came straight from the box. I packed the hair into 2 sections and I put the hair towards the back so that the hair won't come under glue. So I used the bold hold glue to secure the hair. So I went in with about 2 layers. Yeah, I used 2 layers. So when I noticed the first layer was totally dry, which means it goes invisible, then I applied the second layer of the gel, or glue rather. So when I'm completely satisfied that it's dried as well, then I place the hair on the areas that I applied the glue on. I actually did the second layer off camera, just to avoid the video becoming too long. So that was all I did, you know I just kept saying, that's all I did anyway. I just applied 2 layers of the bold old glue, then I placed the lace of the wig exactly on the areas where the glue is. Yeah, so I used my hand to push the air back away from the glue and I laid it flat on my head. So that's all I did. So I really like this hair a lot. The cap I was wearing in this video is medium sized, so it fits me so perfectly. I combed the hair all back just to be sure that the hair was not getting in the way. So when I'm completely satisfied that the glue is laid, the hair is laid, then I decided to tie my scarf on the hair just to make sure that it's super flat on my head and well laid on my head. I took off the scarf and voila. The mistake I made was not doing the boat cap method, really. If not, the cap won't be obvious, because I really like the lace of this wig, guys. I really can't go on about the quality of this hair. The lace of this wig is so transparent that you can barely tell where the lace end or something. I'm sure you guys can see from from the video, like seriously, I really like the lace of this wig. So moving on, I cut the excess lace off and yeah, that's voila. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I really love the lace of this wig. So I used the center parts that came straight from the box and I applied the contour shades that I wear on the center of my head. I'm just going on. So that's the finished look, guys. Very easy, guys. How easy is that? Very easy. So I showed you guys. Look at that. Look at the hairline, guys. Look at the hairline. The hairline is a selling point for me. I really love the hairline. Look at that. Look at that. What lace? Where is the lace? Show me, sis. Where's the lace? So I didn't bother to straighten the hair because the hair was actually silky straight from the box. So I decided to curl the hair, guys. This is one of those straight hair that you don't have to worry about, oh, my straight hair doesn't coil or doesn't hold curls. This is not one of those straight hair. This is a kind of straight hair that holds curls all day, in fact for days, because I filmed this video for about 3 days or 4 days now and the curls are still popping. I'm still wearing the hair as I speak. The curls are still popping, guys. Popping. I am quite impressed with the quality of the hair, and as you can tell, this what's it called, this coiler is actually £15, and for it to hold the curls as it is for like 3-4 days, then the quality of the hair is just amazing, guys. Seriously, I really like it. That's the finished look, guys. So if you're the type that really like your hair you know, that have like one good quality hair that you want to keep changing your style, like, you know, today you want to wear it straight, next week you want to wear it curly, then I would definitely recommend this hair because it's so versatile and you can do whatever you like with it, just like your own natural hair. And the most important thing for me, which I've been going on about, is the lace, guys. The quality of the lace is just amazing. It's transparent, guys. You can't see or you can't tell where the, you know, lace what started from or ended. That was really a good selling point for me, which I really like. Look at that, guys. Look at the curls. Look at that. Need I say more? Look at that. I really love it. It's so silky, no tangling, no shedding, no matting, and there was no product whatsoever on the hair. No product at all. The only product that I added on this hair was the heat protections, which is really important anyway, but no oil, no cream, no nothing. Like, guys, look at that. So that's it for me for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please stay tuned to learn more about the hair because the review is in 1 minute. So stay tuned to, you know, learn more about the hair, and feel free to check out the vendor. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this silky straight hair right here. This hair is actually from Lwigs and it's silky straight from the box. So I, you know, spiced things up and called it and showed you guys how I would style this hair. The hair is actually a 360 lace from 2 weeks. I'm just going to go straight to the point and tell you guys some of the things that I noticed about the hair that I really liked a lot. First thing first, I highly recommend this hair for beginners. The hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box. It comes with a center part, you know, straight from the box, which is what I'm wearing right now. And also the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it, both front and back, because it's a 360 lace frontal wig. And bear in mind that you can style the hair anyhow you like, because it gives you more chance to, you know, style the hair anyhow you like compared to a lace frontal wig. And also another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that the hair is silky straight from the box, guys. If you bring this hair out of the box, you don't need to do anything, just cut the lace and you're good to go. I actually didn't want to straighten the hair at first, but I just started to show you guys what the hair looks like. It doesn't make any difference at all because it's silky straight from the box, so there was no need to do that. So if you're the type that don't like gel or glue, there's an elastic strap at the back of the hair which you can use to secure the hair, so there's nothing to worry about that as well. So you can wear the hair anyhow you like. But I showed you guys how I, you know, lay this hair down using the got to be glue. I am quite impressed with the way with the hairline, guys. The hairline has been pre-plucked to perfection in my opinion. And another thing that I like about the hair is the fact you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do anything you like with the hair, and you know, the choice is yours. So another thing that I noticed about the hair is the fact that the length of the hair is longer than 22 inches in my opinion. They are very generous with the length of their hair, and I also like the fact that the hair took to curls really well. Despite the fact that the hair is a straight hair, the hair took to curls really well, and I'm quite a fan of the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is just amazing. This is my second time working with this vendor, and I'm quite impressed with the fact that the quality of their hair has been really consistent throughout the time. The quality of their hair is very consistent, same as the previous hair that I reviewed from them, so I'm quite impressed about that as well. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.